That was a really good barbecue. The scenery was amazing. It was like the perfect little spot, and it was perfect for kids. And yeah, they really catered to kids. So now we gotta head back. Probably gonna be about an hour hike back up to the gondola. All right, good morning. It is another beautiful day here in Odyssey. It is about 10 o'clock, just after 10 o'clock, and we are making our way up to Alpe Siusi. Because today is Friday. It's the day that our hotel rescheduled our barbecue up in Alpe Siusi. So we check in at 9:30 in the morning, get these wristbands, and then everybody heads up together on the gondola. So we got the whole crew behind, trying to head up the gondola all together. Most everybody does the barbecue on top of Alpe Siusi because it's like a fantastic view up there, and especially on a day like today, it's beautiful. It is an extra cost. It's the same cost as lunch, so it's 40 euros per adult. I believe kids are free, so not too bad. Right, I think kids under a certain age are free.
It depends if the kid eats or not.
Oh, well, Avery doesn't really eat. So yeah, everybody's all checked in right there.
To get to the mountain hut, there are two paths. If you go to the right, it's the shorter path. If you go to the left, it's more of a road. So I think there are going to be two groups.
Today is absolutely beautiful up here. We didn't see this last year, but there's this playground back here. And we were actually sharing a gondola with another couple from the hotel. And they've been basically in the winter and summer, and they come back pretty much every year. And they said in the winter, it's even better. The husband said it was better. But yeah, I think the best time they said is like end of February, the last week of February for winter, because the days they get a little bit longer. Well, we consulted the guides up here, and they said with the buggy, I think we have to take the lighter path, the shorter path. Or no, I guess it is the shorter path, technically, but everybody else with the mountain stroller is going this way, so this is the way we have to go. To get to the hut on this path to the left takes 45 minutes. Yeah, it was about 50 minutes. We arrived at the hut. So this hut is actually very scenic. It's like on a high meadow overlooking that is Sausalungo. And then yeah, we got all the whole group is here. Yeah, it's very nice. They have all the picnic tables set up with shades. Then they got the serving stations, and this is their hut right here. And they even have like little playground area over here for all the kiddos. Obviously, it's not the best family resort in the world if they didn't have this playground stuff. And then just check out the scenery here, man. Look at that. All right, Avery and Melissa already found a little chair, and Avery's awake. She was pretty much asleep the entire time walking here, so that's good. She got about a 40-minute nap, and so now she's ready to party. Hi, Avery. Good morning. Good morning. Did you have a good nap? Yeah. Now you want to walking? So this is probably the most like primo location in all of Alpe Siusi. Like you can see the Sausalungo back there. And then funny enough, last year we were just down at that hut down below there. Like literally, Melissa was doing the swings and everything. So yeah, it's pretty cool to be back here with Avery. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy the barbecue. They got drinks, appetizers, all kinds of stuff. I see them grilling already, so this is really, really nice. I like it a lot. We've been up here since about, up at Alpe Siusi since about a little after 10, like 10:15, and it's now almost 1:30, and it is time to head back. That was a really good barbecue. The scenery was amazing. It was like the perfect little spot, and it was perfect for kids. And yeah, they really, really catered to kids. So now we gotta head back. Probably gonna be about an hour hike back up to the gondola. Potentially Melissa and Avery are gonna take a smaller little chairlift up, but let's see if we can do that or not. Here is the turn off to go down to that little hotel down there. That's where you take the gondola up. Otherwise, you have to go back up the hill. So Melissa is a little bit behind, and so we'll see if she wants to take this. Our Val Gardena pass does include this little gondola, so it's free for us. All right, so Melissa is gonna take the gondola down there because her legs are pretty sore. So that means Avery and I are going up the hill. The reason I'm going up the hill with Avery is because she fell asleep in the stroller. So we don't want to wake her to take her out and then on the chairlift. So if it was a gondola, we'd be taking the gondola because we can just roll her straight on. But it's okay. I need the extra cardio anyway after eating all this food. Okay, made it. That definitely was a workout. But total time from the hut to the gondola up here, 35 minutes. So it's not too bad if you don't stop. There is no stopping at all. So now we're gonna take it back into town. Melissa and Avery are right there. We headed back to the hotel for a little quick break. Avery, since she already napped in the stroller, we let her play around in the family playroom for a second. Melissa took a quick nap, and then now we made it up to Seceda. Since we have the lift ticket pass, the lift runs until 6 o'clock. It's now about almost 4:30, so it's very, very quiet now. We were only like the last 2 people on the lift up. Everybody's already headed back down. So we're just gonna enjoy and hang out here for a second. Avery, say bye to the vlog.
Avery, say bye-bye.
Say bye. Say subscribe and like the video. All right, it's about 5 o'clock. Avery's getting a little tired. So it is time to call it a day. Head back down to the hotel. And yeah, she's ready for a nap. So thank you for watching. Like the video. Thanks. See you later. Bye. Good morning. Today we are starting our day here in the bike rental shop. We're about to go on a family e-bike excursion. We got Avery in the trailer right there, and then we're ready to go. I think everybody's all getting situated. So yeah, it should be a nice, easy family ride. We're getting all of our stuff situated, and yeah.